Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to remember names easily with 3 easy steps, 3 simple steps. We've all been in that situation where we see someone and we can't remember the name and it's like on the tip of your tongue and you just can't remember it. I'm going to tell you 3 easy things that you can do to make sure that that doesn't happen to you again, that that's not likely to happen to you again, to make sure that you remember the names of everybody that you meet. Now let's get right to it. The first thing is to say it in conversation. So let's say I meet a person. This person's name is John, okay? And also they have a last name, John Smith. Just for the sake of argument, I meet John Smith. As I'm talking to John Smith, I'm going to say, towards the end of the conversation, John Smith, it was a pleasure to meet you. Or if you see someone else, you're going to say, hey, listen, hey, come over here, Anthony. I want to introduce you to my new friend, John Smith. You're going to use their name in conversation, okay? And that's a very common tip for remembering names, but that's just the first step. The second thing that you want to do is associate it. So let's say you met this guy named John Smith in a certain mall, okay, in front of a certain store. You want to, once you're done with the conversation, associate the name John Smith and that person. Visualize that person, visualize Mr. John Smith in that mall, in front of that store. And that way, you're giving it an association with something. So if you met John Smith in front of a specific store in the mall, remember the name along with that store. That's step number 2. Step number 3 is to write it down. Now, this can be something as complex as, getting a piece of paper and a pen in your daily journal and writing it down 3 or 4 times. Or it can be that if you met the person and you got their contact information, that you take their contact information and you write it down in your phone. Or if you met the person and they gave you a business card, that you take that business card information and you put it in your phone in your contact list. So it's 3 simple steps. Now, the reason that this works really, really well and makes it very unlikely for you to forget someone's name is simply because it gives your brain 3 different ways to remember that name. The first way that you remember it is when you say it, you speak the name. Your brain, all of a sudden, has a memory factor for that name. The second way is with association. Your brain has a second factor for remembering that name. The third way is writing it down. Your brain now has a third way, a third factor of remembering that name. So you're giving your brain actually 3 different opportunities to really instill it in your mind. And you're less likely to forget the name. You're more likely to remember the person's name. And that's basically it. In this video, I've told you how to remember names easily with 3 simple steps. Let me know what your tips are for remembering names in the comment section down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the method that I'm telling you about. And be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.